Hey everyone. Oh, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY voice changer. Now, first, I saw this online and I don't know if it actually helps or anything, but this is called iron salt. Now, it's a really weird, I think it's a metal or something. Maybe it's like plastic, I don't know. But they said if you add it to water, you can get something called liquid plunger. Now, I'm going to go try this, and we're going to see if the results are in favor. Now, I put it in the water. They say to stand back reasonable distance. Here we are. Oh. Okay. Oh! I don't recommend trying that. That didn't work. So, now, what I'm trying to make, I need a balloon for, and it's gonna look like this. Anyway, so, what you're gonna need to do is you gotta get liquid plunger, as it's called. Now, they say this stuff is really dangerous, so I'm not gonna frickin', anyway, I'm not gonna mess around with this. They just say to pour it into the water. And, yeah, I've given it a stir, looking pretty good. Got warm, but that's okay. Just, I don't know, breathing it kind of hurt. So add your aluminum. Now, give it a little mix with your hand. Now, you're going to need to get your balloon over the hole. Alright, wait a minute. Alright, turns out there's something wrong with the bottle or something. I don't know. So here we go. I got my balloon on there. I got the stuff going. I put the metal paper in there, the stuff. So yeah. Alright, now. Trying it again. Alright, now. I've got this filled up with gas. So now, the next step is to inhale. Here we go.
Hey everyone. So today,
Yeah, works. Wow, let's try it again.
hey everybody. So gonna be showing you guys how to make this, but I already did.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So
Guess that's how to make a DIY voice changer. Yeah, now, after you're done with your balloon, put it in the garbage. Yeah, alright. Bye, everybody.